Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, you will earn more than $8,000 using this new app. It pays with PayPal and it is available worldwide, so make sure to watch it until the end to help you earn passive income. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You must first create and have your own PayPal account before visiting the website. So go to paypal.com and click this button to sign up for a completely free account. Simply log into your PayPal account and provide your personal information. If you don't want to do that, search Google for online bank account in my country and sign up for a completely free account on that online bank's website. Now that you've opened your own account, you'll be able to withdraw funds from the tool we'll be discussing today. Let's go straight to the tutorial so I can show you everything now that we've cleared things up. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Mongols.com, the focus of today's strategy is on them. If you're new with SEO, it stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it essentially helps websites like Mongols.com rank better on Google so that more people can see them. Simply said, assist a number of different websites in increasing their traffic. Many large organizations desire Mongols.com since they could be spending hundreds of dollars on a Google ad that isn't noticed, and money is basically wasted if it isn't viewed. This is where this website enters the picture. You won't need a website or anything else to make this work, so don't be concerned. You can make money even if you are a complete novice. One of the things I enjoy best about Mongols is that it offers a 10-day free trial, which will come in handy in the future. This is crucial since people are typically wary of websites like this and loathe the idea of paying a website without knowing whether or not it is a fraud. As a result, Mongols.com and all of its potential customers benefit from a free trial. You can see how Mongols.com directly benefits its consumers by searching for relevant keywords. It can track your rankings and provide crucial competitor spying. These are all powerful features that will benefit various website owners because they will not only bring them more traffic, but they will also help them build their business and earn them a lot of money. As online marketing is extremely important for businesses of all types nowadays. Now, you can see what people like about this site, which includes its amazing user interface, which means you don't need to be an expert to utilize our SEO tools. You'll be able to understand all of the data and features right immediately. It provides SEO expertise to its clients as well as some of the most competitive prices on the market. You'll find some testimonials as well as a list of all of the important firms listed here, as well as more information if you go down further in terms of SEO tools. As you might expect, I'm not going to do that. Now I'll show you how to select the affiliate program by scrolling down to the bottom of the page. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning and new money-making strategies online. I'll teach you how to easily identify persons who will need Mongols.com in this video. I'll teach you both a free and a paid but far more effective way to do it. And you can choose between the two. Mongols.com, on the other hand, is a good affiliate site to promote for a variety of reasons. For starters, there are an infinite number of clients because new websites are published every day. Nevertheless, the owners of these websites all have enormous budgets and many are business owners. Mongols would be beneficial to their business, and we know they will be able to purchase them. Once people see the benefits and savings offered by Mongols.com, they will want to utilize it for a much longer amount of time. This means that in order to make a lot of money, you won't need to refer a lot of people. Finally, the free trial that I mentioned before is critical since it will encourage many more people to try it out. This website is currently providing you 30 lifetime commissions. Even though these aren't the highest commissions, they are without a doubt superior to the great majority. Check this out. The average monthly affiliate payout is roughly $500, which isn't bad, but I'll teach you how to make far more. Now, I know a lot of you want to know how much money you'll make per customer, and you can get that information by clicking here. As you can see, they provide 3 pricing levels: basic, premium, and agency, with monthly and annual payment options for each. According to my study, most customers choose the premium option since it offers the most value for money and it costs $40 per month with a $480 annual plan. Consider this, if you refer 100 individuals in a year, which is a small number, you'll earn about $50,000 in passive income. And keep in mind that most people who use this service do so because it helps them. In any case, this has a high chance of bringing you a lot of cash. You can browse the website's features, but I won't go over them all because I don't want this video to be too long. All you have to do now is select Start Earning from the drop-down menu. Now, this will take you to the website where you must click on Don't Have an Account to create one. Once you have done so, you will be able to recover your affiliate link. And I will show you how to get traffic. Using Google as a source of traffic is the first step. As I've explained in previous videos, you must then search for a business type as well as a city or town because it is a very simple and effective strategy of generating traffic. I've done some research on gyms in Philadelphia, as you can see, and all I have to do now is scroll down and click on View All. Show me all of these gyms that also happen to have websites and, as you can see, are all potential prospects. Now, I want you to go to any of these websites and find their contact information, which is normally near the top or bottom of the page. I've put their email address above as an example. And all you have to do now is contact them by email. You'll want to repeat the procedure with other companies after seeing all of the Mongols.com fantastic features, such as its free trial and great prizes. The beauty of this strategy is that you can search for any business anywhere on the earth and rapidly locate an infinite number of customers, and as you know, you only need a small fraction of them to pay Mongols.com to create thousands of dollars in passive income. However, this technique has a fundamental flaw. You must identify consumers yourself, and only after some of them pay will Mongols.com be able to earn money as passive revenue. It's great for anyone regardless of skill level, and it lets you work from home without having to shoot a single video. It basically looks after everything for you. This is a terrific tool that has helped me make some respectable money, and I strongly urge you to give it a try because I guarantee you will not be disappointed with the result. That being said, if you loved this video and my material, please give it a big thumbs up below and to show your support to my channel and to guarantee that you don't miss out on any future films like this one. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you will earn more than $8,000 using this new app. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.